Today, designing the right air conditioning system for your home is crucial for clean air. We take detailed measurements, inspect your ductwork, and design a more efficient system. Our duct modifications will increase airflow, efficiency, and performance. We'll eliminate hot rooms, improve comfort, and literally change the weather in your home. As a bonus, we'll sanitize your ductwork with a hospital-grade disinfectant, install a UV light, and cover your air conditioner with a 10-year labor warranty. Our clean air solution is the RGF Remy Halo Whole House Air Purification System. It's effective at killing up to 99% of viruses and bacteria in the air of your home and on surfaces. The Remy Halo produces hydroperoxide plasma and is installed in your air conditioning system, capable of purifying every cubic inch of air that your central air conditioning system reaches. Call ECM at 561-440-3334.
ECM Air Conditioning. ECM, the company that cares.